Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And wow, another green day. And a green day on Monday too. And yeah, looks like right now we broke the 200-day moving average. We just busted right through it after getting, some small rejections here. We ended up coming back down to 42,700. And then we rallied back up higher. And I really thought we were going to go a little bit lower, but it looks like we definitely ended up going up higher and reaching a target of at the 0.5 fib, at which point we got a small rejection. Right now we're back down to 45 after touching 46,600, a little bit higher than that, I believe 46,720. But all in all, looking pretty good. We could take a look at the daily time frame, looking quite good as well, more bullish than before. We're getting some little bits of like some bearish numbers here and there, but now it's looking a little bit more bullish again. 9 for the bulls, 0 for the bears. On the 4 hour, looking a little bit bearish. We got a 10, but I'm not too worried at all. If anything, I'm gonna try to catch a trade on a dip, and I'll let you guys know in the chat. And today I did buy on the spot exchange because the hash ribbons did cross. For some reason, they show up on my phone as the buy signal is there on my phone, but sometimes you just gotta reload the chart. I just remove the indicator and it'll load back up. So we could probably try and do that. Maybe look up at the hash ribbons. Possibly it'll load back up properly. Or they just won't load at all. Okay then. Well, I guess that's okay. We'll fix that later and I'll post it in the chat once I fix it. But yeah, moving on. Looks like the Bitcoin dominance is getting a nice little bounce here, and possibly we could come back up to the upside, which would be really bullish for Bitcoin as the dominance grows right now. And yeah, right here hitting some spider lines again. If we come down, we might come down to 45,200 or maybe even lower. We already went back down to 44,800 during this wick right here, but it's very possible we come back down here, and even very possible that we could even come back down to 43,700. But we'll see. I don't want to make anything too any like outlandish calls. We're just gonna stay down to earth and make some realistic analysis. And yeah, all in all, looking pretty good, guys. Yep, we're right at my support box as well. Right at it, and we closed right there on the day, and then we opened here, and now we're coming back down. But if we get rejected from here, we do come back down. Like if we do something like this at the point where we go back up and then we test this and we come back down, the target would be 41,900. But honestly, I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm expecting it to break this this resistance level. There was not that much Bitcoin price traded at these levels, so it should not be too hard for the Bitcoin price to break these resistances. Even though the box is quite large, doesn't mean that there's that much resistance. We can even take a look on the VPVR right now, as we can see right here. You can see right here where we are at currently. There was not that much price traded, so that's why it was probably so easy for us to rally to this level. So even then, like when we look here, there was not that much price traded, but the significant amount would be like at these levels where we were at for so long, 34,000, 30,000. And then the next major resistance would probably be at 55,000. But even then, pushing it. All in all, looking really good, guys. Looking really bullish. And I'm not too worried at all. We can even take a look at the weekly time frame. The weekly candles are more bullish than ever. So expect some upside, guys. I've bought Bitcoin on the spot exchange, and if you have to, then congratulations. Always like accumulating Bitcoin is always a good thing. Let me try to reset this one more time before I end the video. Oh, it's completely bugging. Whole chart is. We'll just close the whole chart and load up the new one. And we're gonna load new chart. Hash ribbons. Oh boy. Alright, it's not working. But don't worry. Look how close. If we haven't crossed yet, then they are going to cross right away. And we've seen the buy signal come back and forth, so I'm not too worried, guys. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. Don't use too much leverage. If you guys want to sign up for Market Cipher, the link is in the description. You get 25% off. And I love you guys. Thank you for the support. We're at 2,700 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Peace.